can't believe we've taken our caravan to a theme park. Hello and welcome back. We're currently on our way to Europa-Park. We left Bordelane about 7:15. The gates don't open until about 7:30 in the morning, and it's saying on the sat nav that we should arrive just after 1 o'clock. The roads are pretty clear, which is good so far, so fingers crossed. You may be wondering what this wire is hanging down here. It is our sat nav. I don't know whether anybody else has got the Garmin sat nav. We've got the Caravan and Motorhome edition one, and unfortunately it will not pick up any satellite signal on the windscreen, so hence why it is on the sunroof. I think it's because the windscreen is tinted and it's also heated, so it's just not picking up any satellites. We are using the sat nav on the car as well, and it's set to trailer mode, but obviously it doesn't have the full dimensions of our Caravan as well on the back. So belt and braces for following them both. So come with us to Europa-Park. It took us around 5 hours leaving Bordelane to arrive into Europa-Park in Germany. Europa-Park was really well signposted after leaving the motorway. You simply follow the signs for Europa-Park and then for Silver Lake City to the camping ground. Europa-Park is the largest theme park in Germany and the second most popular theme park resort in Europe after Disneyland Paris. It's located in Rust, a town in the southwest of Germany near the French border. What makes Europa-Park unique is its themed lands, each representing a different European country. So you're not just riding roller coasters, you're taking a whirlwind cultural tour across Europe. Having visited Disney World and Universal in Florida, I have to say the theming of Europa-Park is just as good. It's family owned and it shows in the attention to detail and the warmth of the park. It's less crowded than bigger theme parks and cleaner and more affordable than many. Here we are all pitched up. We arrived just before 1 o'clock and we're pitched up and into the park by 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The campsite is right by the Europa-Park, so you can literally walk from your pitch into the park. Europa-Park is dog friendly to an extent, however dogs aren't allowed on any boats, monorail or rides at Europa-Park, so Trixie enjoyed some much needed shade and a drink of water, people watching whilst we took it in turns to go on the rides. decided to have dinner in the theme park after such a long day, and I have to say that food and drink in Europa-Park is reasonable for a theme park. You can of course bring your own picnic or nip back to your caravan for something to eat. Despite spending 5 hours of the day at the theme park, we still barely scratched the surface. Luckily, this was only the first day of our 3-night stay here at Europa-Park, and we had access to the park throughout the whole of our stay. It's Thursday today, day 2 of our stay here at Europa-Park. We've got tickets for Rulantica, the water park. You can get the bus from the campsite here at Europa-Park. It's free to Rulantica. Obviously we've got Trixie and we don't like to leave her on her own in the caravan. So we are taking it in turns, Jamie and I. So Jamie went this morning with Maisie and then he phoned me when he was on his way. I then met him at the bus stop with Trixie and we did a swap over. So I hopped on the bus with Maisie back to Rulantica, and then when I got to the reception desk they were really understanding that we got Trixie and we didn't want to leave her on her own. And so Jamie had left the wristwatch that you're given there, and that's what you use to pay for everything at your Rulantica on. And then when you come out you just settle it. There are some machines you can settle your bill on, or you can settle it at reception. So I went in and I got Jamie's wristwatch and given his name, and then went in and got changed with Maisie. Wow, what a brilliant water park it is. There is so much to do and see. There are swim up bars inside and outside. There was even a foam party going on outside. There was a DJ as well. There's slides outside and there's loads of slides inside. Jamie and Maisie did get early access to Rulantica this morning because we're classed as hotel guests here at Europa-Park. So they got in at about 9 o'clock, which was earlier than other guests. And because they got in earlier, it was much quieter and they managed to get on lots of the slides really early on without any queues. Now, when I swapped with Jamie, it was after lunchtime. It was longer queues, Maisie said, than there had been that morning. But we didn't queue for very long at all, probably about 20 minutes, I'd say, for most of the rides. So that was really good. There's even a ride inside that's like a theme park one where you go in and it swirls around and you wet people around the edge, and the people around the edge as well try and wet you. The theming in there though is amazing. The wave pool as well was really, really good. So many slides to go on. There's even the racer slides, so you have 8 of you racing in one go with a mat, and you literally get ready and then it goes and you go all the way down. That was a really good racer slide. We enjoyed that. So it's been a really good day. You can wear flip-flops in the water park, and there's lots of shells where you can put your flip-flops into. I did see people bringing picnics in there as well. We have eaten in the water park today. It wasn't very expensive, so that was good. It was about normal price really to eat inside the most water parks. We did also get a locker included in our ticket, so that was good. And again, you just use your wristwatch to open and close your locker. But it's been a really good day. It's open till about 10 o'clock at night. So Jamie's gone back now with Maisie again. I had a good 4 hours there. And bearing in mind, Maisie's been there since 9 o'clock this morning. She says she wants to try and stay till it closes at 10, so we'll see. But I would definitely recommend Rulantica. We have been so impressed with the theming of both Rulantica Water Park and Europa Theme Park, and I cannot recommend it enough. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Join us as we continue to explore Europa-Park. We've still got a full day tomorrow at the theme park, and we don't need to leave until Saturday. And we even get access to the theme park again on Saturday if we wish to, but we do have to be off the site by 11. So join us next time if you want to have a full tour of the campsite here. All I'll say is when I do the tour, there are 2 sides to it. So stay tuned. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for coming back. Your support is very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do consider it. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and you can continue watching our summer holiday adventure. Many thanks for watching and take care.